Hello everyone, thank you for joining us at the Generative AI in Education National Online Conference. And I am humbled to present our project, Easy Say, the Generative Scaffolding of Foreign Language Learning. Our team consists of 3 members. Deng Zhuorui is a master's student from the Faculty of Education at Beijing Normal University. Chai Tianhao is a computer engineer and also an alumnus of Southern University of Science and Technology. Wang Ziyuan is from Duke University. Before we delve into our project, let's address the pressing challenges faced by language learners today. Based on our survey of 101 Chinese students, primarily undergraduates, we discovered that 93% of them are preparing for English exams, while 30% of students also studying 2 additional foreign languages. We found that Chinese students encounter difficulties mainly in speaking and listening skills, which are vital competencies in conversational contexts. However, learners face obstacles not due to a shortage of learning materials, but rather the absence of an immersive language environment, suitable language partners, and ample time. Traditional coaching classes, although available, can prove to be prohibitively expensive. To address these challenges, we propose a feasible solution utilizing generative artificial intelligence. Our solution encompasses 3 core aspects: human-computer interaction, identification, and scaffolding. Firstly, recognizing that learners' language proficiency may not be immediately apparent, we leverage generative AI to facilitate conversations and encourage learners to express their vocabulary and grammatical familiarity. Secondly, by employing generative AI, we aim to identify learners' current zone of proximal development, the sweet spot where they can make progress with suitable support without feeling overwhelmed. Lastly, we draw inspiration from the renowned paper by David Wood, Jerome S. Bruner, and Gail Ross 1976 to construct the scaffolding framework. This framework comprises 6 essential elements: recruitment, reduction in degrees of freedom, direction maintenance, marking critical features, frustration control, and demonstration. For instance, recruitment's primary objective is to spark interest and commitment in problem solvers, while reduction in degrees of freedom simplifies tasks by clarifying goals and reducing the number of available actions. Direction maintenance ensures learners remain motivated even when encountering setbacks. Marking critical features helps highlight the gaps between learners' performance and the ideal language expression. Frustration control aims to reduce learners' dependency on generative AI while creating a supportive learning environment. Additionally, demonstration involves showcasing correct language usage to learners. Now, let us proceed to a live demonstration of our solution. In this video, we will showcase a powerful multilingual language tool that supports conversations in 10 different languages. Designed specifically for Chinese users within the WeChat ecosystem, this mini program offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface. For the purpose of this demo, let us assume that our generative AI takes on the persona of a storytelling language teacher. Together, we will engage in a conversation exploring a variety of intriguing topics. Hello, can you tell me something about star?
Hello! Oh, stars are so fascinating, aren't they? They are these beautiful, shining objects that we see in the night sky. They are actually gigantic balls of gas, much bigger than our Earth. Stars give off light and heat because of a process called nuclear fusion that happens inside them. Did you know that there are billions and billions of stars in the universe? It's truly amazing. What would you like to know about stars?
While conversational features are partially implemented, enabling efficient interactions with the generative AI, our scaffolding framework is still a work in progress. As we continue to refine and enhance its capabilities, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all of you for taking the time to watch our presentation. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to us via email and the chat.